I've been buying more random broken things off eBay, and this delightful package is a Tomy atomic pinball machine. At least I think so. If I recall correctly, I paid £8.50 for this. I'll just put the listing up on the screen. There she is. So, let's open it up and see what we've got. Nice. I'm really pleased with the purchase so far. I mean, it's fully boxed, which is nice, and the box is actually... I mean, sure, it's worn, but let's have a look at it. Yay, polystyrene! Let's get rid of the polystyrene. Nice. Got a few scratches on it, but it doesn't look in bad condition. Right, this is the description for the item. Clock pulse lights up with a continual buzz. No more lights, buzzers, etc. Comes with original box, spares or repairs. Right, so let's take it out of its box. And let's put some batteries in and see what it does. Battery contacts look okay. Okay, I think the description was quite accurate. Right, I think we're going to have to take it apart and just see what's going on. It's heavy with those batteries in. Right, okay, so we need to remove these 3 screws, and they've got a nut on the other side, so I'm just going to hold the nut. I'm just going to try and hold the nut with some pliers and unscrew. I'm hoping this is just going to lift off now. There we go. Nice. Right, so we've got the power switch here. And then we've got the circuit board. It's only a small little circuit board there. And the speaker. That all looks okay. I wonder if it's the switch. Let's test the switch first. Okay, so we've got a red wire, a black wire, a yellow wire and a white wire. The yellow and white are attached to the battery terminals. The red and the black go to the circuit board. Okay, so in that position we should have continuity between there and there, which we've not. I suspect it's just something as easy as the switch. Right, okay. Let's see if we can get into this. Okay, that was easy. Right, so the inside of the switch looks okay, but on here, this looks slightly tarnished. Here, you can see there's 5 that are nicely shiny. Well, there's one that isn't. I wonder if it's just that. Yeah, there's no continuity around that one at all. Wow, okay. This could be quite an easy one. Never speak too soon, Stephen. Just going to rub it with my fiberglass pen. Let's just give it a clean with some isopropyl alcohol. Wow, okay, there you go. They're all shiny now. While I've got this apart, I'm just going to give these contacts inside here a quick clean as well. And now let's see if we've got continuity. So we're on now, so we should have continuity between here and here. Which we do not. Okay, so I think the board is actually a little bit warped as well. Right, it's still not working, so I'm guessing these need bending up a little bit, because they're obviously not making a contact. Let's try that. Right, let's try that now. It still isn't working. Still doing exactly the same thing. But let's see if we've got continuity now. Because it's possible this black wire runs down underneath here. Let's have a look. So let's switch it on. We've got it there. And we've got it there. So the red wire goes into this board here, and I can see that that's soldered on. And I'm guessing that is why it's beeping. But then the black wire goes down underneath. So I'm going to have to try and take this off, I think, and just... Oh. Okay, that's awesome. That means I can clean that better as well. Just take that screw out there. Oh, that's nice. Wow. That's awesome. So this black wire goes to here. And it is doing. And that looks like it's the motor. And the motor isn't spinning, is it? Oh! There we go. So I just gave it a little gentle tap there and it started. Right, I'm guessing that's all it was. Maybe the motor is seized up. It probably just needs a little tiny bit of oil or something, maybe. Bit of lubrication. But it seems to be working now, so maybe not. It's so awesome to see this working, it really is. While I'm in it, I am just going to give these a little bit of a greasing, but I think that's probably going to be it. Obviously needs a good clean. I'm just going to put some of this silicone grease on. Approximately 5 minutes of lubrication later. Right, I'm just going to run that through and let the grease sort of spread itself across the gears. Nice. Right, while I've got this apart, I am going to clean all the sort of bits of crud from inside here. It's going to take me a while, this, so I'll do some kind of a magic transition of some description. Shazam! Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Steve, that doesn't look any different. Trust me, it's a lot cleaner. Right, I'm going to focus my attentions on this now. As you can see, it has got quite a lot of scratches. There's a few quite deep ones. So I don't know whether I'm going to be able to get them out, but I'm going to give it a good clean. I'm going to use some of this. It's Poor Boy's Super Swirl Remover. It's an automotive product, but I've used it before on plastics and it does work. Right, I'm not sure it's going to come up any better than that. I'm also going to use some of this aerospace protectant, which is great. It gives it a really nice finish. It works really well on plastics as well as rubber and leather, a few other things as well. Nice. Right, it probably doesn't come across very well on the camera, but it looks 10 times better. It really does. Oh, rubbish. Right, one more go. God, I'm rubbish at that. Really pleased with that. Wanted one of these for a long time, so I'm chuffed to bits. Chuffed to bits. Thanks, guys.